Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. As part of the extraordinary visit to the Salesian province of the entails ANT, Father Hugo Orozco, Councillor for the Inter-America region, visited the Salesian work in Barahona, which includes a parish, oratory and youth center, evening school, social works and secondary school. Father Orozco met with the Salesian community headed by Father Oscar Alberto Almonte Campuzano, youth and members of the Salesian family. During Holy Week, missionary groups in the Salesian province of Colombia, Medellin, COM, gave new impetus to missionary momentum, responding to the Provincial Mission Animation Project, PIAM, developed along the four areas indicated by the Salesian congregation's mission sector: missionary vocation, missionary formation, new frontiers and missionary solidarity. The goal was to strengthen mission culture, revive support for mission areas and promote missionary formation committed to the apostolate with the participation of all groups and communities. The first mission in 2023 was held in 3 places in COM province: Minca, Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta, with 20 missionaries led by Father Jesus Bolaus and Miss Ilonia Santeda di Quilichao Quaqua, where 12 missionaries participated led by Father Gustavo Monsalve and Father Franklin Quirama, and Contodo, Choco, where 24 missionaries led by Father Fabio Diaz, Father Juan Diego Lopez, Father Jos Hernando and Father Hernan Carmona carried out their activities in 4 villages. Through local initiatives such as the Easter Children or Easter Youth and community prayer and participation in the Easter Triduum, the days were an opportunity for everyone to learn and experience missionary communion. On the 1st of April, Salesians in Villena, Alicante celebrated the 50th anniversary of the Don Bosco Youth Center. The day began with a greeting from the Youth Center's director, Salesian Brother Juan Gabriel Martinez Puertas. Groups formed by animators of different generations then met. A time to share experiences, anecdotes and lived experiences. The essence of this moment was to see the different realities in these 50 years and how society and the youth center have evolved, they explained from the center. In the afternoon, the children and youth enjoyed a joint activity of all sectors, where toddlers and youngsters got to know the center's older ones better. The 50-year history of the center was later illustrated in the theater. Villena's Don Bosco Youth Center is a voluntary association established in 1972, which aims to offer a qualified service of leisure education, youth entertainment and socio-cultural development to children, adolescents and youth of the city, as stated in the educational proposal of the Salesian Youth Centers. Top of form Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, joins humanitarian and international organizations around the globe in highlighting the plight of homeless children on the International Day for Street Children. The day provides organizations and the millions of street children in countries worldwide with an opportunity to have their voices heard while ensuring that their rights are not ignored. Salesian missionaries around the globe provide safety, shelter and education for street children, said Father Timothy Plock, Interim Director of Salesian Missions. Salesian programs aim to help children live safely while getting the emotional support they need and the education that will help them live independently. It's a second chance for these children to have hope for a better life. In honor of the International Day for Street Children 2023, Salesian Missions is proud to share programs around the globe that provide street children hope for a better life. More than 100 million children in the world survive along the streets without a stable place and far from their families. This is only an estimate because there is no official census or unequivocal causes that can explain the situation of this phenomenon, which is mainly visible in Asia, America and Africa, but is widespread everywhere and goes hand in hand with poverty and violence. These are children without a childhood, in constant danger, suffering discrimination and seeing most of their rights violated, not having adequate access to food, health, education, recreation. Salesians in many countries have programs to take these minors off the streets, give them shelter, food, hygiene, health, clothing and education, with the ultimate goal of reintegrating them into their families and setting them on a path to a future of serenity and success. The phenomenon of street children is increasing because it is the result of several growing factors: uncontrolled urbanization, poverty, family problems, and lack of opportunities. Many children have no choice, having been abandoned or sent away from their homes due to a lack of food. Others find themselves on the streets because they are orphans, but there are also those who choose to live on the streets to escape the abuse they suffered at home. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.